Anyway mga paps, Boss Papa Pat is here again. Today, we're taking a closer look at this Kinglong XMQ6112Y, a full-size coach bus designed for long-distance and high-capacity passenger transport. Starting with the overall dimensions, the Kinglong XMQ6112Y belongs to the 11-meter class, measuring approximately 10,990 millimeters in length, 2,500 millimeters in width, and up to 3,580 millimeters in height, depending on the roof configuration. This size makes it ideal for provincial routes, tourism, and intercity operations. In terms of passenger capacity, this unit is configured as a 60-seater, maximizing space while still maintaining comfort for long trips. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, which is Quihang S6-150SA CHS, providing a smooth gear transitions and better control on both highways and inclined roads. The bus has a maximum speed of approximately 100 kilometers per hour, compliant with safety regulation for public transport. Moving to the chassis and suspension, the Kinglong XMQ6112Y features a reinforced steel chassis combined with air suspension on selected variant. This greatly improves ride stability, reduces vibration, and enhances passenger comfort on long-distance trips. Braking performance is handled by a full air brake system, often equipped with ABS, ensuring reliable stopping power and increased safety during emergency situations. Inside the cabin, the 60-seater layout is designed to balance high capacity and passenger comfort. The bus is equipped with high-back passenger seats, upholstered in durable fabric or leather type material, with armrest and seatbelt for added safety. Despite the higher seating capacity, legroom is efficiently managed through optimized seat spacing, allowing passengers to remain comfortable even on long provincial routes. Cooling is handled by a powerful roof-mounted air conditioning system, ensuring even air distribution throughout the cabin, including the rear rows. Additional interior feature typically includes LED ambient interior lighting, overhead luggage rack with passenger air vents and reading lights, anti-slip aisle flooring, tinted panoramic side windows for heat reduction and privacy, multiple emergency exits, including roof hatches and side windows. For the driver, the cockpit is ergonomically designed with a fully adjustable driver's seat, wide instrument panel, clear visibility, and easy access to vehicle controls, reducing fatigue during long driving hours. Selecting the Kinglong XMQ6112Y is both an intelligent and clever move by Wonderful Transport. It shows a strong focus on capacity, reliability, and passenger comfort, all while maintaining operational efficiency. This combination of a modern coach and a capable transport operator results in a service that passenger can genuinely appreciate. Smoother ride, consistent performance, and a more comfortable travel experience. It's clear that Wonderful Transport isn't just adding buses to their fleet. They're investing in quality, safety, and long-term value for their passengers. So if you see this Kinglong XMQ6112Y on the road, you know, it's backed by an operator that understands the modern public transport should be. If you'd like to see a full interior walkthrough, engine bay tour, or a real-world fuel consumption review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Boss Papa Pat TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.